Hi friends, short URL and tiny websites are trending nowadays on the web. At this channel DGCN, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which we can start our own digital business that can be a permanent and regular source of income without having any specific technical skills and even in very low investment. In this video, I'm going to show you a solution through which you can start your personalized pro bio URL application. This is of course online application that is packed with over 20 plus pre-built templates. So what you can offer to your visitors, website visitors or your client, they can create short URLs, biolink, that is called biolink. You can explore what is biolink in the Google itself. I'm not going to explain what is biolink. I am going to show you how it is working perfectly and how you can start this business. And with the biolink, there can be a tiny and short website as well. So this can be an example. So this is some example of a service provider of tiny website that holds all the links through which the link holder can share and understand all the contents about the owner of the link. Yes, so create your own mini website in just a single tap. It can be a solution that we are going to discuss in this video, and the solution is going to be available under $100. Why I'm saying $100? The cost of this script that is available on Code Canyon through the video description link in just $49. And in addition to this, you need a domain name and a hosting, simple hosting. So under $100, we are going to start a business of this short URL or you can say the teeny website services. So bio URL, mini sites, digital cards. This can be a target of service and the solution that we can provide through this application. Let us jump into the dashboard of administrator that can handle everything about this application, and you are going to be owner of this application. So it is a white label solution. You are going to buy the script and going to install at your domain, at your server, and you can completely white label the solution. So it comes with 20 pre-made templates, link analysis, link management, profile management, share your link globally, and such all services. I am going to paste all the relevant links through which you can explore the service more. But yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how it is working actually. So this is admin screen, and in the admin screen, what is available, I'm going to show you. So stay tuned until the end of this video if you are really interested in starting a digital business in a very less investment without having any technical knowledge. You can explore other videos as well, and I believe you have already subscribed this channel because I am coming with regular videos on the digital solution that you can adopt and start earning online. Let us come to the point. This is admin screen, and in the admin screen I have this profile, payment settings, email settings, and logout. This is profile setting. So of course this is going to be a SaaS model, and you are going to be a provider of this solution. So you can configure the payment system so that you may collect money, you may collect income from this solution. So this is the Stripe configuration, PayPal, Razorpay, and the bank transfer. So all major payment gateways are here. So in India, Razorpay is very popular, and PayPal can be used worldwide for collecting payments in USD, and Stripe can be a good solution for paying completing payment in any currency. So bank transfer is also well available here. And at the dashboard, you can see the basic things, what is going inside the system. The link has been recently generated, and there might be hundreds of links by the users that is being generated. Okay, so you can see the resources and all such things. So I'm going to explain the screens one by one so that you may understand the process. So in fact, you have nothing to do much about this solution. I mean, you don't need to be very much engaged with the solution for running these services. It is an automated process. Once you set the payment gateway and set the primary things about the service gets started, and you can start earning online just by simple promotion. Of course, you need to promote the service at very first time. Later, it can be in automated mode for bringing income for you. Okay, so I have shown you the admin part, I mean, where you can set the payment gateway and email settings, so that email setting is going to be helpful in sending and receiving mail. So mail key is necessary, and that you can set. Okay, so in the users screen, you can see all the users, what are the numbers of user and how users are doing. So and the status of user, active or inactive, and the plan validity can be seen here. And further, it can be the basic details can be seen, like in the username, the email, and the password can be reset by since you are admin. And further, you can assign a respective plan that you want to uh, assign the particular user. What is plan? So there can be different plans in which you can offer the features and facility of this services. So if we talk about all plans, so you can create new plans, and you can always add a new plan name, and the price, and the validity in days. So you can explore the coupons as well, and the payment system. You can create coupons and the payments that has been collected from the plan. Further, you can set the categories in which the plan is going to be uh, set. So you can create new categories. So as I said, you have nothing to do much about the admin, and I'm going to show you now user screen, how users are using this service, because user interaction is more important in this service. So okay, now I'm here in the user dashboard, user login, and suppose there is a user who is using your services, since you are the owner of the service. So I am a user, and at the dashboard I can see my links, how many links I have generated as an user, and how you can I can edit the links, like information of this link, and the link can be copied directly and open in browser directly. This is being the sort link that we are targeting. So how many visitors, how many clicks has been happened at this particular URL can be seen by the users, and user can create new link as it is being the main service, and user can use template for creating new links. So this is the main service. This can be said as short website, tiny website, and the bio link service. And there are multiple templates available, hundreds of templates, in fact, not only 11. So there are many templates that can be used by the users. So if we are talking about a particular template and how the user can proceed with the creating the profile or the tiny URL, this can be selected directly, and further user can type his her name or continue with the template, and further user can set the basic parameters what he wanted to show at his tiny URL service, and user can upload photo, profile photo, user's description, title tag, and link title goes here. So what you want to show in form of links can be directly pasted here, and link title and further link can be placed here, so that the link can be opened. So it is a total mobile friendly solution, and it is going to be very popular on mobile and handheld devices. When you are creating such links and sharing the links with the user or your prospective clients, it is going to be very useful for them. And the best thing about this tiny URL service, you can always change the details, and you don't need to print any card for sharing with the prospective clients and in the meetings, because once you change the details in the back end, that is going to be reflected directly to the link opener. So this is the main advantage of this digital card or business card or tiny business service or tiny website, whatever you can say. So as many links can be added here, and user can create a complete short website telling about his services and the basic links that is already added. So images can be added, and the share link is here. So this is mobile view, and the pages, further user can create pages. So it is like user can create a new page as well, so that it is not only a tiny URL. So new page can be added here, and in the new page user can add new elements like heading, paragraph, and links can be added directly. So new elements, in the new elements user can add some text information, further links, some image, QR code, and even some videos. So this is going to be a short website for the user, and you can share this short website as a user. I can share this short website to prospective clients and wherever I want, like on social networks, so that The people may reach me directly at my social profiles, at my links, and at my services. So in the very short solution, it is going to be a very effective solution for users, and you are going to earn money by making some plans. Like if you are making some 1 2 3 plan at the admin, and you are keeping some restrictions in the plan, like what user can avail in the certain plan, so you are going to add and gain money according to the plan, and it is going to be a SaaS business for you. So it is a simple solution, but it is, yes, it is a very good earning source if it runs properly. So if you are running it properly, the system is running fine. So for more details, you can follow the video description link, and you can buy the solution script at the Code Canyon through the video description link. It is available just for $49, as I said. And we are here to help you in installing this solution for you. We are going to make it ready for you so that you may directly use the solution and start your business. So I believe this can be a good solution for starting a digital business, in terms of you can start a bio URL or mini sites or digital card services, SaaS based business, and it is going to be a regular source of income. So explore the solution, watch the other videos as well, select a suitable digital business plan, what is going to be suitable for you, what is going to be fruitful for you. And there are many application softwares that you can use for your business available on this channel. So keep watching, keep visiting. I'm coming with more and more videos and solutions. So let us meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.